Welcome to the first part of our tutorial on variables and data types. In programming, variables are containers for storing data values. Think of them as labeled boxes that hold information you can use in your code. Different programming languages have different ways of declaring variables. Now that we understand variables, let's dive into data types. Data types specify the kind of data a variable can hold. Common data types include integers, floating point numbers, strings, and booleans. Each type serves a different purpose and has its own characteristics. Understanding the importance of choosing the right data type is crucial. Using the correct data type ensures that your program operates efficiently and prevents errors. For instance, using a boolean for a true, false condition is more efficient than using a string.